Samsung is aiming to unveil and launch its latest flagship smartphones earlier next year. In the previous year, they revealed the Galaxy S23 series on February 1st, with the phones hitting the market on February 17th. According to reports from Korea, Samsung intends to host its inaugural major event for 2024 in San Jose on January 17th. On this day, customers can commence placing orders for the phones, and the devices will be accessible for purchase by everyone starting January 30th. If this schedule proves accurate, Samsung will successfully meet its objective of bringing its premium smartphones to the market sooner. This strategy positions the company to compete directly with the iPhone 15 series, which debuted in September, a potential indicator of Samsung's intention for an earlier release of its 2024 flagship phones is the recent discovery by 91 Mobiles of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with the model number SMS928B/DS, on the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) website. Typically, a phone appearing on this website suggests an imminent release possibly within a few weeks. Furthermore, the Bluetooth side website has already confirmed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will include the S Pen, maintaining the tradition of the Ultra model each year. The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, positioned as the premium model drawing inspiration from the now discontinued Galaxy Note series, is anticipated to boast a spacious 6.8-inch AMOLED display featuring a resolution of 1440x3088. Additionally, there are expectations of a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. Across all regions, the phone is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, with projections indicating both over- and underclocking capabilities. In terms of its rear camera setup, the device is poised to showcase an impressive 200-megapixel primary camera, attributed to the advanced ISO CELL-HP2SX 200-megapixel image sensor. The rear camera system is set to include a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera supported by the Sony IMX564 image sensor, a telephoto lens utilizing the 10-megapixel Sony IMX754 Plus sensor for 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope camera capable of achieving 5x optical zoom. The standard configuration is likely to comprise 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage. Powering the device is an expected 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt fast charging. Notably, the phone is expected to feature a titanium build, enhancing both durability and providing a premium feel. That concludes today's sneak peek into the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Remember to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our future releases. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates. Catch you in the next one.